Yes, yes.
In the run-up to the elections, they just concluded elections, as well as the aftermath of the elections, in which journalists faced attacks by both security organs, powerful individuals, and also had to grapple with online harassment, only tell the urgency for a more peaceful and enabling environment for journalists in the country. This is a collective responsibility for both the state and its actors, people in civil society, communities, media owners, among others. As we normally say, good, independent, and quality journalism contributes both advancements and advances development and democracy, and should be deserving of all our support.
Journalism and the media at large are given an opportunity to tell stories, promoting peace building, national unity and development, then human dignity and coexistence will prevail. As a country, efforts have been made in ensuring that the media freedoms are respected and promoted through robust legislations and the leaders exercising a certain degree of tolerance to criticism. At the same time, we have had instances where individuals within law enforcement and in the politics have limited this freedom beyond what is provided for within our legal frameworks.
A free press, as I know it, is not a threat to security. It is the bedrock of it, in my view. When journalists can report without fear, human rights are exposed.